Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix Meta Facebook business app not working. Now there might be a couple of reasons for it and that we gotta find out. Go to your cell phone settings. Now go to apps. Now look for the Meta Business Suite app. And there it is. Why don't you go tap on it and then select force stop in the options. Once you have forcefully stopped the app, just scroll down and go to storage. In the storage, you would have to clear your cache and also clear data. It will help your app run smoothly. And there you go. It will fix the issue that's been going on with your app. Hey, if you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on the notifications.